When changing out a modified power tongue jack, lift the front of the frame with a jack and place an appropriately rated jack stand underneath the draw arm of the A-frame. Once you have the jack properly retracted off the ground, disconnect your power wire. Then, disconnect your 2 wire harnesses coming from the controller in the coach and pull the tongue jack end free. Next, you will need to remove the foot pad on your jack. Remove the cotter pin from the end of your clevis pin and pull it free to free up the foot pad. The last thing that needs to be removed to free up the tongue jack are the 3 bolts securing it to the coupler. Remove these 3 bolts and set them aside. Clearance around them is not the best. If you are using a drill, you may need to use an extension, adapter, or switch to a ratchet. Next, raise the old jack out of the coupler and set it aside. Lower your new tongue jack into the hole, and once you have it lined up with your bolt holes and the flat corner facing forward, you can begin to resecure your bolts. Tighten down your bolts until each is firmly secured in place. Keep in mind again, clearance around the bolts is still not the best, and you may still need to use an extension, adapter, or switch to a ratchet. With the bolts on the tongue jack secured, we can now resecure our foot pad at the base. With all the components reattached, reconnect your power wire and your 2 wire harnesses. Test your jack for proper function to be sure that your work is completed. Once you have made sure the jack is functioning properly, raise the front of the coach up and remove your support, then lower the frame back down.